Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna give you a short introduction on our Click&Lock system. And this is a bit older version of this system, but it has its own advantages, so let me start. This option of Click&Lock system consists of several main bricks or blocks. Okay, this is main brick. In this modification it has a height of 60 millimeters, so it has right and left configuration, so when we are pressing it, it looks like this, and after brick hardening we are just giving like we are splitting it over here. Okay, so after splitting there are like left bricks, let's say, and right bricks, and this surface has natural appearance and looks like natural stone. Okay, this is main brick, and here you can see how bricks are connected in this system. Okay, to connect these bricks in 90 degree, let me open, for example, this pillar. Sorry. Okay. Okay, and okay. No. For some reason it doesn't work. So I'm gonna return back to this file, and okay, I can also show it over here. So you can see this corner block. Corner blocks or corner bricks also have two configurations, like left and right. So it's like this, and right after splitting they come in packs of either 2 or 4. When we are using a bit bigger high pressing machines, we can produce packs of 4 bricks and make 2 splits. First split, we split bricks over here, and the second split goes here. Okay. Another important element of this system is cover. Cover, you can see over here. Okay. So using these main elements, we can assemble walls and make different wall systems. Here you can see fence design, but using this system it is quite possible to produce almost any building. In case you need for example insulation, you can pour aerated concrete inside, right on site, I mean right on construction site. You can put some reinforcement bars and stuff like that. Okay, so I believe it is more or less clear as to the design of these bricks. You can also check my previous video for more detailed information on a bit more modern system, but this system also based on Click&Lock design. And what is important, we are providing you with a complete solution, like equipment set, and you can produce all these bricks and some other products license free, and it's very easy. Another important thing, you can use industrial waste as main source of your raw materials, and which makes these bricks greener. solution, and I believe the most important thing is its simplicity. There is no need in a qualified mason. You can do most of like bricklaying process yourself. So I would say that this is a perfect do-it-yourself solution. That's why we named it Click&Lock. So I believe that's it for today. Thank you for your time. Click to subscribe button, and see you next time. Bye bye.